Sayyid from India.
Assalamualaikum, Sheikh.
Salam wa rahmatullah.
Thank you for Jazakallah for your last answer, Sheikh.
Barakallah feek.
So, Sheikh, I have a question. I am 15-year-old boy, and I have seen many videos regarding the sunnah of holding the hands on the chest, doing Rafa Yadain. And in India, we follow Hanafi Mazhab. And in Hanafi Mazhab, I have also asked my teachers who taught me the Quran. He said it was rejected. And at the end of the time, Prophet didn't do Rafa Yadain. Is it true? This is my question.
Okay, I will answer inshallah. Sayyid from India says, is it true that the Hanafi, where I come from in India, say that the Prophet never put his hand on the chest and he never raised his hand when praying? Akhi, don't listen to these blind followers. They're ignorant. They've never read anything related to Islam. They only read things that are related to their sect and to their school of thought. Don't believe them and follow the Sunnah.